We're now at 1335. We are 40 subs away from a cooking stream. I'll show you what I might be cooking. Okay, so the first thing is I like to do before I put anything on my face is I like to put my contacts on. Because if I try to put contacts on after I have like all my eye makeup on, I might miss and then things go amiss, you know? Huh. The glasses go off. Can't see anything. I can't see what you guys are saying now. What? I have terrible eyesight, yeah. So I have these brown circle lenses. See how big my eyes are now? They're not very big. One circle lens. Slide this into my eye. You see the difference now? You don't have to do this part, by the way. You do not have to do this part. Okay, don't look at this part then, Schlen. I can see the chat now because now it's clear, but also like blurry at the same time. I just have to make sure the lens is flipped the right way before I put them on. All the lenses are in. Now my eyes are this big. Okay, so next, a primer for the for makeup. Helps makeup go on nice and smooth. Now, I don't have a really good foundation, so I'm just gonna be very, very light with it. Just a little bit. Beauty blender. All right, my skin is now a little bit lighter and smoother on a camera filter. So there's a couple ways we could go from here. Let's go with contouring for AMAB people like myself. When contouring, I like to shade around my face. So it creates like a fake shadow. So when you wear like a wig over it, it helps create like a slender look for your face if you have like a more square jawline kind of thing. I don't really need it, but I still do it anyway. Let's do my brows next. So, soft glam Anastasia, very expensive palette. I use it for literally everything. I use it to draw my brows, eyeshadow of course, eyelining a little bit. For brows, I found that doing the bottom of your brow first helps you line up the shape and direction helps. A good tip. It is a very good tip. Now, for my eye, I literally just like shade around it because I'm gonna draw over it anyway. And then it just kind of helps them look a little bit more like bigger. Okay. Ah! Blends out really nicely, yeah. It's all the makeup brushes from here. Oh wait. Now, usually you should use a pencil for this, but I don't have one. So I use the thinnest brush that I have to just line it underneath my eyes with white. Okay, next up is my favorite part. The Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is the best thing in the world. This changes everything right here. But the hard part is getting it done right the first time. All right, let's see if I can get this right the first time. This is the hard part. Now the problem again is this eye is a bit like raised up a bit, so it's kind of hard to like bring it back down to be even. It's always told to aim for sisters, not twins, because they will never be perfectly the same on both sides. But I want them to be. Bruh. So, it doesn't stop there. We're gonna make them look even larger now. Usually, where is it? We have some glue and some eyelashes I picked out in here to really bring out the eyes. You haven't put eyelashes on in months. I don't feel right if I don't put them on. I have barely any like actual eyelash. There's one. Ah! Now, not quite there yet. They just sit above like the water line on above my eye. I'm just gonna fill them in a little bit so they blend better. The best lash glue I ever used came from Japan actually, but I can't order them because it's a hazardous material. You can't ship here. So I had to get this emada, I don't know what it's called. It's the one I currently use right now. What bottom lashes do I use? I just look up bottom lash, type it in like Amazon, find like the cheapest pack I can get, buy it, and that's it. That's all I do. I don't know what names they are. They're just called bottom lashes, but they're super long, so I cut them in half, and I only wear it on like one half of my eye on the outside, not all the way across. I don't put them like right on beneath here, just kind of underneath. It's from far away, it's gonna look like one giant eye. If you look really close, you'll notice it, but most people aren't that close anyway. Okay, now a little bit of blush. This Urban Decay this time. Urban Decay lipstick. Very neutral color. Trying to get everything to be symmetrical as a pain in the butt. Ugh. That's most of what I need to do. After that, it's like a wig and a new outfit. Find the Your wig now. Your! I would use like a finishing spray too, but it's not here. It's somewhere else. Okay. Let's see here. Found it. Alright. I found it. Why the hairnet? It's actually still a lot easier to keep your hair tucked away, so it's just more comfortable. Okay, so Your has like this headband that goes around the back like this. What do I love about being a content creator? I never wanted to be a content creator per se, I just wanted to make videos. It just kind of like became the thing. So I don't know if it's what motivates me to be a content creator, but what motivates me to just like make videos, because it makes people laugh. Haha. Ready to fight. I really want to trim these bangs, but I'm so not confident with trimming the wig. They need to be like a fringe like this, but just a little bit more over the eyes. I have shears for these too, but I've messed up a couple wigs this way, so I don't want to do that again. I'm gonna hide off camera for 1 second. Don't look. I'm not gonna change my pants. But Your time. I got the sweater on. Woo! I really need to trim the bangs. My God, I can't get them right because they're just too long. That's a comfy looking sweater. Thank you. I have her assassin outfit. I also have a very spicy version of the assassin outfit. Your time, the off-shoulder comfy look. Yeah. Ah! That hurt. Now Your needs her headset because she's gaming today. Casual Your. I'm wearing my sweatpants still. Aha. I'm unclear if Your wears like tight like yoga pants or like tights. I'm unsure what she's wearing. Your is wearing tights. Is she? Okay. Sounds good to me. What is my goal hair length? I just want to grow it out. I want to see how it looks. So probably like past my shoulders at some point.